Hello guys, so this is the extra part for this series 2.5D platformer. So this part is for weapon change and weapon selection. So without wasting time, we are just going to do the thing. So if you switch the project from Unity 2019 to the later version or somewhere else, so maybe you will get this error. So just double click on the error and add this dependency notification.ui and change it to text. So now the error will disappear. Okay, like this. So now I'm going to add one more weapon here. I'm just going to add one more sword. Here, okay. So I'm just going to add this sword. Okay, I think this one is better than that. So first of the thing, we need to place it. So just place these colliders. Okay, so I think our sword is in accurate position. So now move it to inside the, okay, so just go to spine, then spine 2, then right shoulder, right arm, right forearm, right hand, and here you will get the first sword. So here we create a new empty game object and move the older sword to inside the, just get it named to weapon holder like this, and also the newer one inside the weapon holder. Okay, so don't forget to set the layer to player, and also we need to add the script, this one. So just copy this thing and paste it to the second sword blade object. Okay, and you can set the damage here. So maybe your this is the upgraded sword, so you can increase the damage by 20. So now just deactivate one of them. By default our character will have this sword. So now go to player and open the character movement script. So here we will create the function for weapon change. So public void change weapon. Here we pass a int value with weapon index, then we create a new public game object for weapon holder reference. And here we run a loop for this, like for int I equal 0 where I is less than weapon holder dot transform dot child count. So this will be our loop. So here we do one thing like weapon holder dot transform dot get child I dot game object dot set active false, but we are going to add the if condition. So if I is equal weapon index means this is the weapon index which we want to activate, then we can just copy this line here and paste it inside the thing and make it true. Okay, so now I think we are done with the function. Just waiting for compiling the script. Okay, so here you can see the new game object weapon holder. So we just need to drag and drop this here. Okay, and now we are going to create a buttons for weapon change. So here we create a UI button. Like this, and just going to make it circular. It should be big. Okay, sword 1. Okay, and then create a new on click function. Drag player to here, go to character movement script, and then here will be the change weapon function and pass it 0 for the first sword. Rename it to sword 1 and then duplicate the button and place it here, and we only need to change the index number. So here will be 1. You can add more sword as much as you want, and you just need to pass the index here. Okay, so let's check whatever we have done. Okay, so you can see the sword is changing when I click on the button. So now I'm going to add one more sword so you can understand how it is working. So I'm just going to add the first sword here. So first we need to add the sword here, like I'm going to add here 2 is already there is one alphabet and the here. Okay, so I think so this one is really better. Go inside the sword and remove these two colliders, so the handle one, then select the blade and change the layer to player. Also add the script for player weapon. Okay, set the damage according to your gameplay or something, and now we need to adjust it, so just rotate it like this. Okay, so I think this is in good position. Now we only need to do is copy this button, place it here, this is for sword 3, this is for sword 2. Okay, and one more thing, don't forget to deactivate it at initial, or I will suggest you one more thing. Just deactivate this, go to the sword 3 and pass it number 2. Now check whatever we have done. So when you click on sword 3, sword 2, sword 1, okay, so you can see the weapon is changing instantly and they are working seamlessly as we want. Okay, and now we do the one thing, we just hit this function start with 0 index, so this will be the automatically set the default sword as the first sword. Okay, so this is the simple weapon change functionality for the player. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.